Welcome back to Peaks 47. Just thought I'd give you a bit of a heads up. Just bought this new loco, so it's a Hornby TTS 2P. There's the box. I've currently removed the TTS decoder. I put a Zimo chip in it with a double iPhone speaker from Roads and Rails, also known as Richard Croft, as we see him on Facebook. It's loaded with a YouTube's sound file. Really impressed with it. I've altered some of the whistles, so it's actually got whistles from a 2MT with a 4F sound file. Really pleased with that. So we're going to just do some running shots really of this today before I then attempt to convert it back to its LMS days, which is what I've done with my Black 5, which you might recognise from previous videos. So this also started off as a BR TTS factory fitted. So the plan I've got with the 2P is to make it looking from that, which how the Black 5 was, to look pretty LMS again. Yes, I know the gold lining technically probably shouldn't be there. I can live with that. So the 2P is going to have the same treatment. So let's get some power on, listen to some of the functions and get some running shots going.